Welcome, my friends. I am Albert Einstein, and yes, somehow, I ended up with my own channel. Don't ask me how. I barely understood how buttons worked in my time, but since I'm here, we might as well explore the universe together. On this channel, I'll be asking dangerous questions, poking fun at human stupidity, and reminding you that most of our problems on Earth could be solved if people thought half as much as they scrolled. We'll talk about space, time, black holes, and maybe even why your Wi-Fi still collapses faster than a dying star. So, subscribe. Not because I said so, but because curiosity should hurt a little less than ignorance. And if nothing else, at least you can say you learned physics from a dead guy with bad hair.